Today is Sunday, January 5th of 2020. It's a nice warm afternoon here in central Alabama. It's about 60 degrees, the sun's out, and we are seeing some good bee traffic on some of the hives. Bees have actually been bringing in a little bit of pollen. Notice every few bees coming in, bringing some pollen. There's a lot of clover out. Some of that purple clover is already bloomed in my area. And again, bees are looking good. And it's a nice warm afternoon. In fact, it's warm enough to where we kind of peep under the hood. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah. And what's in there? Those are sugar cakes. I made about a 4-pound sack of sugar cakes. You see they are devouring those. It looks good. These are doing what they should be. Now normally I wouldn't pop the top like that, but we got some warm days coming up and it's not going to be that cold at night. So no, that shouldn't cause any problems at all, especially with the sun shining on these hives. We've got good traffic coming in for this time of the year. Seen some bees come in and out. It looks like everybody's looking good. I just saw me bring in some pollen. And you see the little piece of paper towel there. I set my sugar cakes on a paper towel, and the bees will eat the paper towel and basically bring it out the door. Ooh, get a little hot. Bumping me a little bit. Had to walk away from that hive. These bees are looking good down here. I wish I could catch some bringing in the pollen. It's just so hard to see with the way the light's shining on these hives. But yeah, there's a lot of clover out in full bloom. There's a few other things in bloom. I mean, I know it's the middle of winter time, but things still bloom this time of the year here.